Hi, my name is Tonya Cryer. I'm from Miss Tony's of Hollywood, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a dry wrap on African American hair. The tools that I'm going to be using today are my all-purpose comb. I'm going to be using a bristle brush. I'm also going to be using some product, either some serum or some shine, and I'm also going to be using my Velcro Wrap Cap and my satin wrap cap. Going to start with taking the hair in the direction that basically she wants her hair to fall. So I'm going to just go to the left. And basically you see me keep placing my head here on the top of her scalp because I'm trying to keep the hair laying flat, and I'm using her head as a roller. Her hair is going to be pivoting off the center of her scalp because we do want her hair to follow in the style, but also it's going to follow the growth pattern, which is why I'm keeping it flat on the top. So I'm also taking small sections at a time to make sure that it stays flat. And if you notice, well, maybe you can't tell, but I'm going to be flipping my comb over. This comb has two sides. One side is for thicker, coarser hair. The other side is for fine. I use the thicker side just to smooth the hair out. Then I'll go back in with the finer side to get it really, really, really tight and smooth, laying into that hair. Now, some people choose to use a brush, but I like to use the comb first and then go over it with the brush if necessary. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But if you want to be able to maintain your hair after you get a relaxer and you were getting a wrap from the salon, you have to wrap it every single night. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to maintain the style. Again, if you see I'm using both hands, I'm using my left hand to keep the hair smooth so it's actually following me. It's following my other hand. I know it looks kind of simple on here, but it is pretty simple actually, as long as you have a method, you can get it. This is the same way that I basically would wrap wet hair for mold. This is just this is a dry wrap mold. This is my shine spray I'm going to be using. This is going to help to give it a really nice shine once it comes out. I'm going to go back in with my brush, and basically I'm going to use the brush to follow around the curvature of her head. Her head is going to make her hair have a nice curvature, which is going to frame her face and her hairline. Once this is combed out, the hair is going to have a nice little beveled bend on the end. Now once it's smooth with the brush, I'm going to go in with my wrap cap, just a Velcro wrap cap. And you actually wrap it with the sticky side up. And basically you just want to follow around the same way that you did when you were wrapping it. Pull it down smooth over the hairline and just turn it. Then I'll go behind it and stretch the cap up all the way just to make sure all the hair is secured. And then for those people who sleep a little while, then you go back again with the scarf, the satin wrap cap. And then you just secure it like this, and this should stay pretty good for you all night. And when you wake up in the morning and comb it out, it should be nice and smooth. You comb the opposite direction of the way that you wrapped it. My name is Tonya Cryer from Miss Tony's of Hollywood, and what I just showed you was a dry wrap on African American hair.